Just exploring my house. I mean, not exploring, showing my house. Xbox to set up at my dad's house. And then, it's not gonna really be a long video. So, we're gonna be. This is what I like to do. This is not mine, it's my brother's. Freaking wasps everywhere. There's my dad's bike. Here's mine. This is 450, 85, 65. These two are mine. My brother's, that's my dad's four-wheeler. My other dad's four-wheeler, he's building it. And then the 450 CRF. So, this is a good bike. I like it. I got it recently. As you can see the new, because they're new tires. Look at those paint lines. Look at them, fresh new babies. So yeah, it's not gonna be a really long video. Look at these motherfuckers. Wasps all over the floor. If you step on it, the sting is gonna go right in the freaking foot. I almost have it. I stepped on one, and there's Sunny, whiny, is tiny. Here's my dad.